to understand sexuality within the evangelical context, you have to understand the Old Testament Jewish suspicion and antipathy towards women. You have to understand the New Testament antipathy towards women teaching. And then you have to see that when Paul says, I wish all men were like me, or the spiritualization of sexuality saying, oh, it's not about screwing, it's about Jesus and the church, as if somehow you have to make an excuse for it. Strikes me as very similar to the arts, for instance, where evangelicals can't just write a good novel, it has to have the gospel message in it. So you can't just go to bed with a woman because it feels good or you love each other. It has to have some greater purpose, which, of course, the flip side of that, although nobody says it, is to devalue the thing itself. If the greater purpose of art is evangelism, then art is worthless. If the greater purpose of sex is to mirror an image of Jesus in the church, then sex is just a symbol of something else. In and of itself, it's not important.